Ice cream cake. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to make your own ice cream cake. This festive Dairy Queen ice cream cake is ideal for your next gathering. Ingredients. For the ice cream cake layers: 1½ pints chocolate ice cream Tillamook, for example, 1½ quarts Tillamook French vanilla ice cream. For the Oreo crunches: 1 cup 1 OG Oreo crumbs, approximately 12 cookies, filling scraped out, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. For the chocolate fudge: a ½ cup heavy whipping cream, a ½ cup semi-sweet chocolate chips 6 Oz, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, softened, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the whipped cream frosting: 2 cups full for OG heavy whipping cream, cold, 1 cup 1 OG powdered sugar, 1½ teaspoon vanilla extract. For decorating: rainbow dot sprinkles. Special equipment: 1 8x3-inch round springform pan, large style piping tip, piping bag or zip top bag. Steps: 1. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Set aside a sheet tray lined with parchment paper until ready to make Oreo crunches. Line an 8x3-inch round springform pan with a piece of plastic wrap long enough to hang over the sides, then clasp and seal thicken tightly. Put 2 more pieces of plastic in the pan and up the edges. 2. Make the chocolate ice cream layer. Let the chocolate ice cream to settle at room temperature for 15–20 minutes or until soft but not melted. Pour the ice cream into the lined springform pan and evenly fill with a tiny offset spatula or spoon until the top is flat and smooth. Put the pan in the freezer for 30 minutes, uncovered, while you create the crunches and fudge. 3. Make the Oreo crunches. Combine the Oreo crumbs and melted butter in a medium mixing bowl. Bake the crumbs for 10 minutes on a parchment-lined sheet tray or until they begin to smell chocolatey. Let it to totally cool on a wire rack. 4. Make the fudge layer. Pour the cream into a small pot and cook over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes or until the cream begins to bubble. Pour the cream over the chocolate chunks in a large heat-proof basin. Let for 1 minute before stirring with a rubber spatula to mix. When smooth, stir in the softened butter and vanilla extract. 5. Pour fudge onto a frozen chocolate layer. Pour the fudge over the top of the frozen chocolate layer, then return to the freezer for 10 minutes to solidify the fudge. When you touch the fudge, it should be set but still tacky. 6. Layer the Oreo crunches over the set fudge layer. Evenly distribute the cooled Oreo crunches over the fudge. To ensure a uniform coating, carefully press the crumbs into the fudge. Place the pan back in the freezer for 1 hour. 7. Make the vanilla ice cream layer. Remove the vanilla ice cream from the freezer and let it to soften at room temperature for 20 minutes. Spoon the ice cream into the pan on top of the crunches and evenly fill the pan to the top with an offset spatula. Make sure the surface is flat and smooth before covering the pan and freezing it for at least 6 hours. 8. Make the whipped cream frosting. When you're ready to frost the cake, combine the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla in the bowl of a stand mixer or a large mixing basin if using a hand mixer. On medium speed, whip the cream until it reaches the top of the whisk and the tip stands straight up when pulled out of the bowl. 9. Unmolding the cake. Put a big dish or serving tray in the freezer for 10 minutes to chill. This will prevent the cake from melting when you place it on a dish. Remove the cake pan from the freezer and unclasp it. To remove the pan from the springform pan, pull the ends of the bottom piece of plastic wrap. Remove the plastic wrap from the cake and transfer it to the frozen plate with your hand or a spatula. 10. Frost the cake. Frost the cake with all but 1 cup of the whipped cream using a large offset spatula or butter knife. 11. Decorate the cake. Put the remaining 1 cup of whipped cream into a large piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Pipe a few rosettes onto the cake, then top with rainbow dot sprinkles. 12. Freeze the cake. Place the cake in the freezer for 20–30 minutes before serving to chill the whipped cream.
Thanks watching.